What's up, guys? So as you can tell probably by the title, today is a big day. I'm super excited. I'm finally picking up the seats for my S13. I got a crazy deal on these seats. I basically paid less than what one seat goes for, and I'm getting 2 seats and 2 sets of harnesses. But we got a long drive. I'm already halfway there, which is good. So we have another like hour, we have like another probably like 50 minutes, and then we're there. Cue the time lapse. Ouch. All right, here we go. Dude, they're gorgeous. They came out of a 15 racks, by the way, which is also gorgeous. But here it is, full service. Well, guys, as you can see, I just got Bride bucket seats. Now, these are actually real Brides in real Takata harnesses. The red and green wasn't planned, like every other red and green on my car. It wasn't planned, it just keeps happening for some reason. I don't know what is going on, but these popped up and they were the perfect seat for the perfect price, and I couldn't be more excited. So, like I said, they're Bride Zeta 3s. They're the larger size, so my ass can actually fit in them. They're literally brand new. They're still certified till 2022, which is awesome because like no one actually runs certified seats like in the drifting world because they're usually too expensive. But he actually let me take the brackets for him too, which is awesome. He really hooked me up so I can actually get him in tonight, which is sick. It's gonna be a pain in the ass with the cage and the brackets I have, but we'll make it work. I am dying to see what these look like in the car. Red Bride with green Takata harnesses is like an iconic duo. So I cannot wait to see what they look like in the car. Like, but this freaking red and green, guys, not planned. Not today, traffic. Not today. Finally at the shop, and I gotta pee so bad, so let's hurry up. And I love them. Now, they're really freaking red, and those are really freaking green, and so is everything else in the car. Now, I was thinking about keeping my black Corbeau harnesses, or Corbeau, whatever you guys want to call them, in there, but the Takata harnesses, one, they're just sick, and two, what I really like about them is it's like a 2-point harness. Now, there's 4 points of, I guess, safety, but they're attached on the side, so you only have one belt buckle, which is like really nice because mine now is a 4-point harness and they all click together in the middle. And realistically, like the side belts always drop and it's a pain in the ass. And when you give ride-alongs to drift events, like having to like show people how to hook in all 4 freaking belts and like adjust them is miserable. You waste so much time. With these, all you have to do is just a regular belt buckle you just plug right in. All right, guys, so my friend stopped by and I stopped recording for a while. We were just hanging out, but a lot of time has passed and a lot of stuff has happened. We have a large predicament. Now, tried to test fit one of the seats, and what I was dreading happening happened. They don't fit. Now, my roll cage is a drag style roll cage. What makes it a drag style roll cage is these freaking door bars. Now with drag racing, the door bar regulation has to have the door bars at your shoulder, I guess. That's what I was told. This stupid shoulder bar gets in the way of the shoulder of the seat. It doesn't fit. It like, if I put it underneath the cage like that, it like kind of fits, but then the seat won't bolt down. It's too far back, surprisingly, for my tall ass, and it just doesn't fit. I'm really upset. I completely neglected this. So what's gonna happen now is I'm cutting my door bars. I don't give a crap. With drifting, the door bars need to be basically above your waist. My goal now is I need to cut these out so I could fit my seat, so I could be more comfortable because my elbow does hit that. So this was something I was honestly planning on doing all winter when my interior was all apart, but it was just something I just completely forgot about because I was more worried about everything else. This is my plan. This is what's happening. I'm gonna draw it out. And then this is my ridiculous door bar. What I wanna do is I wanna take it out all the way to like here and then put another one in that's not as aggressive. Now, it might look a little weird, and you're probably wondering why I don't just cut the whole thing out. Now, the problem is, with the rear, it's nice and easy. I have a lot of room to cut this out and flapper away the welds. Down here, it actually welds to the floor and like the A-pillar bar, and basically to the sidewall here. So cutting that out and flappering that away, absolute miserable. It sucked, and it's just not gonna happen. So I'm gonna cut it probably somewhere around there. So a bird just flew into the shop, and it's stuck. Now I have a shop pet, I guess. Oh, damn. Well, we got it covered up and I got the windows taped. I'm gonna open the door so that window doesn't get affected, but all right, I got the angle grinder, make our first cut. Freaking out, gotta be confident. We're gonna be good, we're gonna do great. Well, there's no turning back now. Let's do the other side now. The tops are now cut. Now it's time to figure out where to cut this piece. I might just cut this longer for now so we have some room to play with, so when we start mocking things up, we have the room for it, because you can always, you know, take metal away. You can't add it though, well, easily. Did not think this was happening today, but it is, and we're gonna fix this. We're gonna make this right, guys. We're gonna make this right. Nice. So I'm definitely gonna be cutting these down more towards like even over here. So I might cut this more, but for now it's just out of the way. And the next thing I have to do is gonna be a pain in the ass, but it's gonna be doable. Is I'm gonna have to flapper away all of this so it sits nice and flush with the cage, so it doesn't look like I cut a bar out of it. Wish me luck on these. I'm gonna let the camera charge and just get to town. So I just spent a long time grinding that metal away. I didn't film it because one, I was kind of frustrated, and two, I needed the camera to charge, but we are all set. It didn't come out perfect, but it came out probably better than most people would expect. That's where it used to be. There's a few like little high and low spots on it, but for the most part, it's pretty smooth. So I'm pretty stoked about it. Same with this side, the same actually came out better. All the welds are gone. I officially have like a clean half cage look to it now, and I have my stubs of door bars just chilling. But can you guys believe I literally just cut my roll cage? Unreal, unfreaking real. But okay guys, so I have my brides. I have my brides. I have the brackets bolted on each of them like loose so we can figure it out. And I have these rails that actually, I can't take credit for making these. They actually came with this car when I got it in like a little additive with it that the previous owner had. And these, someone made a long time ago. They're super flush mount frame rails. Like they literally hug the ground. Like you literally couldn't have tighter frame rails, which is good because I'm a tall fuck and I need the seat to be as low as possible. So we're gonna mock the seat up in there and see how it fits and hopefully not catch this edge. I'm gonna tape this up actually. Now the seat actually fits perfect in there, like nice and flush where I want it. Door bar doesn't get in the way, not even on the little side balusters here. So for the new door bars, we're gonna make something that goes underneath the part right here for the shoulder, so we have the clearance while making sure I don't have my elbow just banging on it. So something just like, so with the seat rails in, put the seat in. I should have just filmed this whole freaking thing, I'm sorry, but put the seat in. I sat in the seat and I put the seat where I want it with my bum. Got a marker and marked the holes on the rails where the seat should be, and now I gotta drill them out. Moment of truth, let's find out. There it is, guys. It's like mounted perfect. It's a little crooked, but I like it. I don't know, it just like feels more normal to me crooked for some reason. Just like a slight bit, you can kind of see it, but she's all set. So those holes are done. Now we have to work on the passenger seat. I'm gonna get the passenger seat more like straight by eye than I am sitting in it, because when you sit in it, it keeps sliding back, and the passenger seat doesn't matter as much as the driver's seat, so we're just gonna kind of put it back and straight and just mark it from there. And now it fits with the bracket, so the seats are in there. Their seats are officially in there. As you guys could tell, I could definitely tell, they're both crooked. They're both sit like this. I think it's the seat brackets, no worries. What we could do is we could put spacers between the little L bracket and the actual mounting frame to level them out, and we should be all set. There it is, my car officially has bride seats, which is like pretty crazy. I mean, look how cool these things are. I'm so pumped to have a set, let alone a real set. Like, I'm so excited with these. But I'm gonna take the seats back out. I wanna pull the rails and repaint the rails because they're falling apart. There's rust coming out of them. It's a mess. So we're gonna paint those wrinkled black and throw them back in. I'm thinking about just sending and cutting, trying to cut the whole door bar out and just doing that and just running one whole new one, because this is just a compromise and a half. I know I keep rambling back and forth about what the hell I'm gonna be doing with these door bars, and I was talking to a few friends about it, and I've been convinced to just cut them fully out. I was talking to B-Hall, and like I said, B-Hall's opinion really matters to me because I know B-Hall will never half-ass anything, and that's the way I like to roll. As you guys can see, I showed you before, it goes it basically goes to the floor and to the bottom of the A-pillar bar. I'm gonna have to rough cut it and just keep filing it away until it's all gone. I mean, realistically, if there's a slight little nub in it, it's not a big deal. I don't think like no one will ever even see anyways. So I think we should be all set. And then from there, since we have no door bar, we could just recreate our a whole new one from scratch and actually make it look normal and make it functional. So this is a little sketchy. It's tight down here, as you can see. So my goal is to just try and like chop it as much as I can, and I'm just gonna take the grinder and sit here with it. Come on. Well, there it is. There's my door bar.
When she's out, she's out.
Oh my God, dude, I can't believe this just happened today. Full send. Wow, this is like it just feels weird. Dude, this is so weird. I'm gonna clean the side up a little bit more, and then we're just gonna tackle that side and just call it a night. There it is. She's gone. My car is door barless. It's like really messing with my head. Should've did this a long time ago. I know a lot of you guys probably haven't been listening to me too much, and there's a few of you that think I cut these out literally just to fit these seats. Now, one, that's kind of true in the sense of these, I hated these door bars. One, because I couldn't fit a seat, and two, because it was so, my arm would always hit them because they're so freaking high. And they're just not the right style door bar for what I use a car for. I'm pretty happy with it for now. This will be cool. It's really, really messing with my head because I've never had this car without door bars, and like, feels like someone just knocked down a wall. Car's officially all set. I'm gonna take the brackets and paint them before I go home tonight. So when I get, so they drive tonight, I'll get the seats in tomorrow, I'll throw the harnesses, and then tomorrow, if it all goes to plan, we're gonna test drive the S13, which I've been dying to do for months. All right, guys, so I just cleaned out my whole interior. It's looking all fresh again. I'm really excited. It's like starting to really feel complete to me and nice and clean. And we'll do the door bar soon. I don't think I'm gonna rush and try and get them done this week. I really just wanna get my car together and worry about the stuff that actually needs to get done, because this is not a necessity right now. So tomorrow we're gonna try and aim to drive the car for the first time, as long as everything goes correctly. Hopefully she's running good. Last time I tried to run the car, it didn't run that well, but I haven't really tried to diag it today because I'm running around so much, but we'll worry about it tomorrow. So I keep wearing it on, so I'm just gonna end the video, but I hope you guys liked today's video. I hope you guys like the seats, and I hope you guys are cool with me cutting my door bars out. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.